Hello! Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will talk about technical hands-on certificate workshops by BDG Life Sciences, India. Let's start by answering this question. What is a technical hands-on certificate workshop? A technical hands-on certificate workshop is a training program designed to provide participants with practical, hands-on experience. During the workshop, participants typically engage in a variety of hands-on exercises and activities that are designed to reinforce the concepts being taught. BDG Life Sciences believes in what Greek philosopher Aristotle back in the 4th century BC said, "We learn by doing the things," and have implemented in the programs like workshops, research projects, and training. Our workshops typically focus on a particular technology and are led by experienced instructors who have expertise in the subject matter. During our workshops, either online or on-site, participants engage in a variety of hands-on exercises. These include practical tasks using necessary software and tools. Video recording is provided at the end of the session to give user a unique learning experience, where they can go through it and practice as many times they can. If they miss any session, then they can go through the video in their free time, complete the tasks, and catch up in the next session. At the end of the workshop, participants receive a certificate of completion. This certificate serves as evidence of the participants' technical expertise in the area covered by the workshop, and it can be a valuable asset when seeking employment or advancing in a technical career. So, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this exciting journey with BDG Life Sciences, who, since 2010, has trained hundreds of participants who are not only students but researchers, scientists, company professionals, and doctors. Check out the link in description. Do like this video and share. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates on new videos.